How to log out from your Kick account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from your Kick account. In order to log out from your Kick account, make sure you have already logged into your account. Open your Kick application on your mobile device, and once you open the application, you will land on this home page. Here, if you have already logged into your account, you will be able to see this icon at the top right. Simply tap on this icon, and then in the space at the very bottom, you will be able to locate Logout option. Simply tap on this Logout, and then you will be able to see you have successfully logged out from your account. Once after logging out from your account, you will be able to see login or sign up button at the top right. In order to log into your account again, you will need to tap on this login option at the top right, and then use your credentials in order to log into your account. So this is how you can log out from your Kick account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.